What is up, guys? Welcome back. Day 10, I believe. Um, yeah, day 10. Back testing day 10. Sorry, I know that's kind of nasty. Back testing. Oh, shit. I'm fucking tweaking. Back testing day 10. I know I seem a little happy, but to be honest with you, I'm tired. I had work this morning, and straight from work, I went to the cafe to study with some of my friends, which was pretty good. And after the cafe, went to the gym. Or I went to the cafe to study, not study, but like, work on this back test and shit. And then went to the gym. And then after I went to the gym, I went to, um, I went to home. Yeah, I went to home. I went home, and then I'm here, and yeah, I'm about to back test, like like usual. Um, 19,000 steps today. I'm absolutely fucking tired. I'm absolutely dead. Yeah, I usually take a nap after work and then go to the gym. I might study for a bit after my nap and then go to the gym, hit the sauna, and then get home, go back to work. But in this case, I'm I'm, I'm fucking I'm fucking running on like 5 hours of sleep. No, that's a lie. Maybe like 7 hours of sleep. This isn't bad, honestly. But I think I need more if I'm waking up at like 6 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning. Um. So yeah, let's get straight into back to oh shit. Let's get straight into back testing, bro. Yesterday wasn't a really good day for me. Took 2 L's, one win. Hopefully today we could hit W's in all three of our trades. So right now, I'm on the 15 minute. Let's go to our hourly. So our hourly chart kind of shows, well, it does show an uptrend. Our daily, looks like we just swept liquidity right here. But yeah, our hourly looks like an uptrend. Honestly, it looks pretty steady. Let's go to the 15 minute. So it looks like we're starting to go into an uptrend. I mean, we just went down over here, broke structure to the downside. And then we came up again, broke structure to the upside. And then looks like we have an order block and a fair value gap. We have two fair value gaps and an order block. I want to play off of this one though. This is London session. New York AM session seems to. New York AM doesn't seem to be too volatile. Looks pretty steady. Last New York AM, there's a lot of big moves. A lot of bullish candles. Also a revisit to the fair value gap on this candle right here. So on this one, I'm thinking it will hopefully revisit this fair value gap. So let's mark out this 15-minute fair value gap. We can mark that out. Hourly was still in the fair value gap, so it's looking good. Price tends to revisit these fair value gaps, and order blocks seem to be being filled as well right here. yeah. Price visited this fair value gap right here. So honestly, I think we're in a good position to take a trade. If it goes down, let's use our equilibrium to mark out the discount. Yeah, so right where our fair value gap starts is basically marking our 50% mark. I'd want to say I want to place my trade 50, it's around 60 to 70 right here. So maybe around like this zone right here I'll be comfortable in entering along. My SL will probably be at this fair value gap right here. Maybe at the end of that fair value gap. Let's aim for recent high. I mean, it hasn't been that high in a minute. July 25th was the last time. So I think we're just gonna go with a ratio here. So this is a 1-to-1 ratio. Go 1-to-2 ratio. Hoping to break structure right here. Let's mark out this order block. It's kind of right here. Okay. Go to the 5-minute, see what's going on. Yeah, it looks like we're going down, but price 10 is kind of wanting to push up with this bullish candle here. 2-minute. Yeah, it definitely looks like we're going in a downtrend on the 2-minute. So at 15. Are we in a downtrend on the 2-minute? Not a downtrend, but we did break structure to the downside. Right here. And we came above that point. Kind of like a little liquidity sweep, but I don't think it means too much on the 2-minute. I would want to enter my trade around here, right in the middle of the fair value gap. So we enter. Okay, so price didn't. Oh, there we go. And it crashed. Okay, so honestly, I think. Yeah, so I think my trade would have went well if. Let's take a screenshot of this. Let's take a screenshot of this. Why the fuck am I on the wrong account, bro? Oh my gosh, bro. Can I just get in the right account? Alright. Back testing. Okay. So I set my limit order a little too low. Set my limit order a little too low, causing price to not tap in until later on in the trade. If I were to set my limit a bit higher in the FVG, then my TP would have gotten hit. Then my TP would have gone hit. Yeah, that's all I could really say on this one. I think it was a good trade, good idea. Price did do what I said it did. It went into the fair value gap. But I feel like I need to start a bit higher. So I think from now on, if my equilibrium chart matches up with the fair value gap, and it how do I say this? If the discount is in the fair value gap, I should just aim higher in the FVG. See, if I would have took my trade up here, if I would have took my trade up there, I feel like my TP would have hit. Let's see. Like right here. Have to order, buy. So I'm gonna sell down here, TP up here. Then we would have made some money. Yeah. But yeah, I'm not complaining. I learned a lot from this trade, and I know what to do next, you know. So let's clear this. Select bar. Alright. Let's go JPY USD. Well, I think I actually did take a trade earlier on today. I don't know what happened with it though. Oh shit. I think I took a trade on here. It's on my laptop though, so I don't know. Hold on. Let me kind of see. Where the trade. Oh. Yeah, so we're up around $1 in my trade on my AUD JPY. But if I connect it, would it show? No, it doesn't show on there. But on my laptop, we're on my laptop where bro, my TP was so close to being. My TP would have got hit if I said it, if I kept in touch with the trade. But yeah. So let's go back to backtesting. So yeah, good thing we took notes on that. All right. Next 25th. Friday. So at this moment, markets look pretty shitty, to be fair with you, but we are going into a downtrend, and I believe we will be going into a downtrend for a while because the price kind of consolidated up here, and it's gonna look like an order block on the daily. Yeah, like right here, kind of forced down. But to be fair, on the daily, there is a huge order block right here. I'm guessing that's, yeah, August 1st. That's when that big move happened. Daily, we're going down. So I'm honestly thinking that this is going to be going down. Go for shorts here. See what price does. Yeah. I feel like we're in a downtrend here. So London session just finished, and New York AM is coming up. Let's wait for New York AM to pop up. New York AM. Oh, hold up, we broke structure to the upside with a. Okay, here we go. New York AM. Oh wow. Yeah, big move up. This is kind of a weird trade. I still want to say that price is going to be going down, even on the daily. Like, we're still going in a downtrend. So yeah, I'm still positive. I'm still positive. Going for shorts is a good move here. New York PM seems like market goes down, but we also have this big order block on August 7th. Okay. So I'm gonna test out. I'm actually gonna go for longs here because it is looking pretty good. Reset my equilibrium on this. Yeah. Okay. So our discounted price is right here. Fair value gap right here. And on the daily, we're on a downtrend, but I'm not going to hold this trade for too long. It could go up. Daily could go back up. Yeah, we're showing a lot of bullish momentum on the daily. So I'm thinking going long here. Aim for this high. There's also order block right here, so I would take that. Crazy order block right here. So price moves well in this area, and considering that New York PM is coming, then yeah. So I'd want to enter like right here maybe, at this recent high, and the beginning of my fair value gap. I have one TP right here, and my stop loss, let's put it right here. Okay. Let's see how this trade goes. Consolidating, and let's enter. Let's touch that fair value gap. Nice. Alright, you kind of see where this is gonna go. Oh, there we go. TP hit. I honestly, yep, and I forgot to press confirm, but my TP did hit, and honestly, I'm happy with that. So, yeah, again, price consolidated for a bit, hit my entry a little later than I would have hoped it would, but honestly, you know, we take the dub, and yeah, bro, I'm happy with that. Let's add that to the notes. I took my from my last trade and noticed I took advice from my last trade and noticed that it helped significantly. My limit, my entry got hit a little later than I would have liked, and price close to my TP, but close to my TP, but oh sorry, to SL, but my TP still got hit. Trade took longer than I would have liked, but a dub is a dub. Okay, nice. So yeah, I took my advice from the last trade, and it ended up going well. Yeah, I'm happy with that. That was good. Entered in, exited. Oh my gosh. Alright, nice. Alright, last trade. Let's go. I need to go to fucking sleep, bro. So tired. Okay. Wow. Yeah, I kind of already know what happens there, so we're just gonna. Wait, let's go to AUD. Okay. Price under this fair value gap. Ooh, honestly, we can place a trade right here. I'm comfortable with it. Fair value gap. Let's look at the hourly. Our price looks like he wants to push up. Yeah. Price looks like it keeps on wanting to push up. We have a huge order block that got filled. We just entered this fair value gap. But low key, we are going on a downtrend. But this order block kind of changes everything in my opinion. So it looks like market wants to go up. We have an upside down hammer right here. I'm kind of consolidating, but yeah. Let's try to look at some order block. We kind of have like a mini order block right here, which I'm hoping is going to get filled. Alright, and then just kind of look at our price here, give us some wiggle room. We're definitely at a discounted price. Yeah, this entry is actually perfect. I wanted to break structure. Actually, we're just gonna go to this right there. 5 minute. Price looks like it wants to go up. 2 minute. Price also looks like it wants to go up. Alright. Damn. Yeah, so TP got fucking hit. I mean, on TP, SL got hit. What I think went wrong in this trade? To be fair, it does look like. Alright. So. In this trade, market was in a down trend, but with my confluences lining up, I thought it could have shifted into an uptrend, which it did for a bit, but it didn't go as high as two. Lesson from this trade is that I must follow market and not my confluences / on missions. Okay. 1, 2, 3. September 22, 2025. Alright, nice. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. See you at the next video, day 11. Yeah. Let's go. Stay locked in, chase your dreams, and don't give up. Stay disciplined. Peace out.